Hey there, it's Monday, and you know what that means? It's time to ignite your passion. Passion is the fuel that drives us, it's that spark that keeps us going. It's what makes you get out of bed, eager to seize the day. Passion is about pursuing what sets your soul on fire despite what others may think. It's about being unapologetically you and finding fulfillment in what truly resonates with your spirit. So, how do you find your passion? Start by experimenting, try new things, and embrace your curiosity. The journey to discovering your passion is an adventure itself. So, whether it's painting, writing, dancing, cooking, or even skydiving, let your heart guide you towards what truly makes you come alive. Embrace the process and don't be afraid to experiment. Remember, your passion may evolve or even change over time, and that's okay. Embrace the journey, embrace the growth, and keep fanning the flames of your passion. So let's kick off this Monday with a fire determination to find and unleash your passions. Are you ready to ignite your fire? Let's do this.